Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best heated coats is probably one of the most innovative solutions for staying warm during the winter. These coats come equipped with built-in heating elements, powered by a rechargeable battery, providing consistent warmth even in the coldest conditions. Whether you're commuting to work, enjoying outdoor activities, or simply braving the winter chill, a heated coat can make a significant difference in your comfort and well-being. Number 5. Venustas Heated Jacket with Battery. Stay warm and comfortable with this innovative jacket. It's designed for both men and women, providing exceptional warmth in cold weather. This jacket features a versatile unisex design. It's perfect for anyone looking for reliable warmth and comfort during outdoor activities. The jacket comes with a built-in heating system powered by a battery. It provides consistent warmth, allowing you to enjoy the outdoors even in freezing temperatures. It also includes a detachable hood for added versatility. You can customize the jacket to suit your needs and the weather conditions. Whether you're hiking, skiing, or simply walking, this jacket is your ideal companion. It ensures you stay warm and comfortable throughout your adventures. What we like. This jacket is designed for everyone. It features a versatile, unisex design, making it a great choice for both men and women. If you're looking for a heated coat that can be shared, or if you simply appreciate a design that caters to all, this is the one for you. What people say. It's very comfortable, lightweight, and of course it's warm. The jacket itself is machine washable in a mesh bag, hang dry, will drip, has 2 outside zipper pockets, love, 1 inside pocket for the battery, and another inside pocket with Velcro closure, love. It's warm, lightweight, and a vibrant orange red, think a ripe tomato. The hood is attached by zipper and can be removed. Number 4. TIDEWE 3-in-1 Heated Jacket for Men. Facing the harsh winter. This jacket is your ultimate defense. It's designed to keep you warm and comfortable, no matter the weather. This isn't just a jacket, it's a complete system. It offers multiple configurations to adapt to different conditions, making it perfect for various outdoor activities. Experience warmth at the touch of a button. The integrated heating system provides consistent heat, ensuring you stay cozy even in freezing temperatures. It comes with a battery pack. Whether you're hunting, skiing, or simply enjoying the outdoors, this jacket is built to perform. Its durable construction and thoughtful design make it ideal for any adventure. Don't let the cold hold you back. This jacket allows you to stay active and enjoy your favorite outdoor pursuits all winter long. It's the perfect companion for your next adventure. What we like. This jacket is a true all-rounder. With its 3-in-1 design, it adapts to various weather conditions. If you're an outdoor enthusiast who enjoys hunting or skiing, this jacket's specialized features will keep you warm and comfortable in the elements. What people say. I like the liner being separate from the jacket, that way I can take the liner out and use it with my dedicated hunting coat. The jacket itself is a very nice material and seems like it will stand up to wind and rain well. I was warm for a couple of hours after walking into the woods without this being turned on. After sitting and cooling off, I then turned this on to low and stayed warm after feeling the elements activate very quickly. I was at roughly 60% after about 3 hours of use and plugged it in to charge during lunch. I went back out for about 5 hours in the afternoon and had the same experience as in the morning. As the snow continued to fall and temperature dropped, I turned up to medium and was nice and toasty. Number 3. DEWALT Men's Heated Soft Shell Jacket Kit Black X Large. Stay warm and comfortable with this heated jacket from DEWALT. It's designed for tough conditions, providing reliable warmth when you need it most. This jacket is an X-large size, ensuring a comfortable fit. It allows for layering, so you can adjust to changing temperatures throughout the day. The jacket comes in a sleek black color, making it versatile for any work environment. It's a practical and stylish choice for the job site. This kit includes everything you need to stay warm. It's a complete solution for those cold days, keeping you productive and comfortable. The soft shell design offers flexibility and durability. It's built to withstand the rigors of your workday while providing excellent comfort. What we like. This jacket is built to last. The soft shell material provides both comfort and durability. If you work in a demanding environment or simply need a reliable jacket, this one will withstand the test of time. What people say. Upgraded version with heated arm pads. 3 heat levels, high, medium and low with default setting at medium heat. Deep pockets, including one in the back, for the battery pack, etc. Number 2. DEWALT Heated Heavy Duty Work Coat. Introducing the DEWALT Heated Work Coat. This coat is designed to keep you warm all day long. It's perfect for those long shifts in cold weather. This coat features advanced heating technology. Integrated heated zones deliver consistent warmth across core areas. It keeps you comfortable in cold environments. It also comes with USB charging ports. You can charge 2 devices simultaneously. It's perfect for phones, tablets, or rechargeable tools on the go. The coat is interchangeable with DEWALT tools. It fits seamlessly with DEWALT 20V battery packs. You can use the same battery across drills, saws, and other job site gear. Inspired by DEWALT's legacy. This jacket is a powerhouse in workwear. It's durable and reliable, just like the tools you trust. What we like. This jacket is a workhorse. It offers all-day warmth with its 20V battery-powered heating system. If you work long shifts in cold weather and need to keep your devices charged, this jacket's USB charging ports and interchangeable battery are perfect for you. What people say. All around great product. The second time we've bought one. They last for years. Construction worker approved. I work outside all year round in Canada and love my DEWALT coat. Still going strong after 2 winters. Absolutely amazing product. Size fits true. Battery pack sits up front. It's very intelligent when it senses that it's really warm, it goes down to the next heat level. Saving battery means lasting longer out in the elements. Number 1. ORORO Men's Heated Jacket with Detachable Hood. Stay warm and comfortable with this innovative jacket. It features a USB-C rechargeable battery and provides consistent heat across 4 different zones. This jacket utilizes advanced heating technology. It ensures you stay warm even in the coldest conditions, with heat distributed evenly throughout. The soft shell design provides both comfort and durability. It's perfect for outdoor activities, keeping you protected from the elements. The detachable hood offers versatility for different weather conditions. You can easily remove it when you don't need it. The jacket comes with a convenient USB-C rechargeable battery. It provides long-lasting warmth, so you can enjoy your day without worrying about power. What we like. This jacket offers advanced heating. With 4 heat zones, it provides consistent warmth. If you want a jacket with the latest technology and convenient USB-C charging, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Even without activating the heat unit, it is quite warm and very good at blocking the wind. The jacket offers a 5-minute preheat option and 3 levels of heat. The lighted emblem on the breast lets me know if my battery is still charged and functioning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.